Hey guys, and welcome to your third lecture. Again, my name's Haley McLennan, and today we are going to be discussing a bit more about some conditions and loops. Let's talk about while loops and for loops today. So again, before you watch this lecture, make sure you complete the pre-quiz. There will also be a post-quiz, so please remember to do those. You have until the end of the week. So again, I would also like you to create a document again. We won't be doing this every week, just once in a while, just making sure everyone's understanding everything. So I would like you to write down, what do you know about loops? So for loops, while loops. Write down everything you know. What are their conditions? What are this? If you know anything about it, that'd be amazing. So go ahead and do that now. So, what are they? What are loops? It repeats a statement, and we're going to be talking about while conditions here. So while the condition is true, so it must include a block of instructions for the condition is true and a block of instructions when the condition is not true. So this is the syntax for a while loop. We have while condition 1. And then it's going to, if this is true, so while this condition is true, we're going to execute block 1. And then once condition 1 is not true, you jump to the block 2. So let's write a bit of code together. So I have created a program called test.java. Let's do this. Oh, hold on one second. So test.java, as you can see, my class name and program name match. We have a main function, and here, so we have an int number is 10. So int number equals 10. So this is an integer. Our variable name is going to be number. So and the condition here is while our number is greater than 5, I want to print out this. And then let's add in another statement. So system.out. The number is less than 5, less than or equal to 5. And we're going to go plus number. So when we do plus number on the side here, this is going to print out whatever the number is. And so now here it's called number minus minus. So this is a decrement. You can also do number plus plus. This is the same thing as saying number equals number minus 1. So we are decrementing the value of number. Okay, so let's see. Let's run this program. So again, Java C test. Oh, whoopsie! Sorry, made a bit of a spelling mistake here. It's gonna get a little mad. We'll just exit that. Java C test.java. We missed something here. What did we miss? Didn't think we needed that, but let's see what's wrong. I feel like that's an extra one. We'll see what happens. This is the best part about programming. Let's just take this statement out for a second. So as you can see, I've lined them up too. So this one's with that one, this one's with that one. This should work. Let's see. Let's see what happens. What is it? This is 11. Oh, is it mad about this? Oh, it is. Hold on. Let's take this out of here. It's an interesting error. Oh, you know why? Oh, I know why. Ha ha ha. We have made a bit of an error here. Okay, hold on. We are going to fix this though. Don't worry. Actually, we'll just do this. It's not saved to the right place. It should just be saved to my desktop. That's where I am. So let's fix this. Save it to my desktop. Replace it. Let's try putting this back in too. Number greater or equal. So you see, I even make mistakes when I'm programming. So anytime there's trial and error, it's quite fun. Let's see if this likes this a bit more. Oh, did I make a, oh, I made a spelling mistake too. See? Everyone's human. Oh, I saved it wrong too. This is going great. As you can see, I make the same type of errors as you guys. So, and I make them on a day-to-day basis. Let's try this. Capital T. There we go. Let's see what happens. Okay, perfect. So as you can see, it's going to print out still bigger than 5 while the number is 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, and then it gets to 5 and the number is greater or equal to 5, so it's going to print out. So it's going to repeat this for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6 for 5 times. And each time the number is being minus by 1. Alright, so we made it through. So now I would like you to create your own program with a while loop. Include a variable, call it x, set x to a value. You can call, let's make x a double this time. And then I would like you to create a while loop. So a double again, sorry, it's with a decimal, so 1.0, 1.1, those types of numbers. So create a while loop with some kind of condition, and you can increment it by increasing x by x plus plus or decrease it by x minus minus, your choice. But have a condition and submit your code at the end of the lecture. Alright, so pause the video and you can do that now. Alright, so let's have a bit of a reflection. Please write down, how did the challenge go? Were you successful? Was this too hard? Was it too easy? And now we're going to be moving on to for loops, sorry. On the same document, write down how much you know about for loops. What are their conditions? What are the syntax for it, if you know it. If not, don't worry, we will be going over it. So what are they? For loops executes a sequence of statements multiple times. They include a starting number that is stored in a variable, a condition, and an idioms. So meaning the increment or decrement of the variable. So here, we have for, the declaration, the condition, and the idiom. So, and when this is all true, block 1 is going to execute as many times as the condition is true. So let's do a program here. Let's change this program. So let's keep int number. Let's do 4. Oh, actually no. We're gonna get rid of this too. For int I equals to 0. I is gonna be less than, let's say, 7. I plus plus. What do we want to do? Let's print out some stars. That's always fun. And then we're going to close this. So, for int I, we've declared a variable. We have a condition, and we are incrementing I. So, let's try this. Let's see if this is going to work. There we go. Ta-da! So, it's going to print out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 stars because it starts at 0 to 1 to 2 all the way up until 6. So it's going to print out 7 times because it starts at 0. Remember that. So it's going to print it out and then it's going to increment I. So now here I is going to be equal to 1. So is 1 less than 7? Yes. Print out the star. Increment I. I is going to be equal to 2. Is 2 less than 7? Yes. So it's going to keep doing that. So let's go back to the slides here. Let's see what we got. Play from grid side. Perfect. So here's a copy of a code that I created, but here I have I is less than 10. So a little bit different. So now please create your own program with a for loop. Include a variable called int I in the for loop. Make sure you do that. Give it a value. Make a condition. An example of that is I is less than 10. And then make an idiom where I plus plus or I minus minus. Create a block of statements to execute and have some kind of for loop, and please submit your code at the end. And once you've done that, I would like a reflection as well of how the challenge went. Were you successful? Too hard? Too easy? And now we're at the end of the lecture. So today we covered what is a while loop, what you need to include with a while loop, what's a for loop, what you need to include with a for loop, and the type of syntaxes with it. So now that we've covered this material, I would really like if you guys could complete the post quiz. And it's been great. I hope you guys have a great day. Thanks for watching.